Good morning. Just, assembling a necklace. And we are about to go. Are we going wine tasting? I think we might go wine tasting before her second eye appointment. Should I go get a second haircut?
No.
Okay. Let's go into the real world. Goodbye, Noah. Be good. Your door. Your door. Ooh.
Are we pretentious? Everyone else is like going.
Yeah. What's the cross street though?
It was a cross street. We're sort of late for her eye appointment. Do you want to have an eye off?
I want to have a nap.
Yeah, because you think you'll lose compared to my new perfect vision? That's right. So we're just getting ready for a cocktail party of her uncle, and I did not plan accordingly. I have one sort of dressy shirt, and I have purplish jeans, and I have skate shoes. So I'm gonna be the underdressed schlub at the event. I was just flying the drone, and I'll be honest, I'm a little worried because I saw another helicopter up there. I'm worried that they're looking for me because I was flying a little bit too high. So there's a helicopter circling the house, so this is my paranoia. We're far from an airport though, so we should be fine. Watch this. I've totally trained her. Nice. Mwah. One secret about my sweater jacket, and all of a sudden, what looked punk and cool and hip is now slightly more formal. Hey!
I wrote a few things down here in
We're home, Nala. So we just had a nice 90th birthday party. My grandma is 92.
93.
Maybe 92 or 93. Grandma, make sure you drop a comment with, I'm just kidding. We didn't tell your secret. Just got back from the birthday party. It was fabulous. Welcome to my childhood bathroom.
Keeps making that f***ing noise.
Yeah, that's stupid.
Stop.
The people need to know that you curse like a sailor. Alright, I'm closing off the vlog. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you drop a like or a comment. I can't believe we have vlogged for that many days in a row. That is very exciting. I think this is day 51. That is too cool. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like or a comment. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Make sure you check out my music channel. I love you. Nala loves you. Alright, good night. Goodbye.